Hello and welcome to a look at this, the Wave 4 Resonator, and how to correctly operate your device. Once you've unboxed it, it's important to note that all the accessories which come in the box have been optimized for the Wave 4 Resonator and are the ones that need to be used. So let's start off with this. This is the wall charge adapter. It's the one that comes in the box, 2.1 amps, 5 volts, and it's the correct one designed to operate with the device. It's important you don't attempt to use your own fast charger, as that may damage the Wave 4 Resonator. It's supplied in the box with this, a USB-A to micro cable, and it's perfectly designed for the device. So you simply here connect the one end into the wall charge adapter, and then you'll notice on the end of the cable a flat side which lines up with a flat side on the device, and it should slot in easily. You should never need to force the device in at all, as it is perfectly designed to plug straight into the device and provide charge as well as connectivity to the free and supplied Windows software. Once we've looked at charging, we will move on to taking a look at these, the handheld electrodes. What you also notice you get in the box here is this little tester unit. If we connect the banana connectors of the electrodes into the unit itself, there's one for instance, then we power on the unit. Now we connect the electrodes cable into the Wave 4 Resonator. Then you'll notice as soon as we tap the other cable or connect it there, you're getting a little green light there indicating that there's current passing through the cables. This lets you know that your cables are correctly functioning and can be used with your handheld electrodes. Connecting them is simple. You simply connect the banana connectors into each of the two electrodes or into the Bera health pad, and once you've done this, you can select your desired program, or be it custom program which you've designated yourself, select the program that you've optimized or the one that's built in, and hit the symbol to start the program. Now you can immediately feel that the Wave 4 Resonator is functioning as it's supposed to.